Another daily tip, after 5 years of having a master bathroom under construction and studs, we're finally ready to start tiling. And in order to find out how much tile I need, we're gonna do length times width. 10 feet. And the other way is 10 feet. 10 by 10. Let's head to the store and pick it up. We're gonna go with a white marble look and a matte finish. Now that we have the product on site, we need to go over layout. We're gonna run a brick style in this bathroom, but we also wanna verify that we're not gonna have slivers left over. That sliver in the back is a no-no, but we also wanna make sure we meet this wall and the tub. Typically, all this stuff can be laid out in your head and you can do measurements like that, but it's also a lot easier to visually see it and just lay it out on the floor and do a dry fit. Now this orange bit is the uncoupling membrane. So we put that down with thin set and now we can put the tile on top of that. So what's below that membrane is actually just plywood. Obviously plywood moves, so we need it to uncouple from the tile. That way it doesn't crack and break. No fancy saw required here, just a simple score and snap. And now to ensure that nobody stubs their toe on a tile that's not level, we're gonna use a leveling system. This leveling system is called Spin Doctor. Now you might be thinking, wouldn't that create some sort of void? The answer is no. And the reason the answer is no is because we back butter. That way we'll have 100% product transfer. Now the deceiving part about this name system is they call it a leveling system, where in reality it's more of a lippage system. We still need to do floor prep before we start tiling. This is not gonna solve like a half-inch dip in your floor. And now by this point in the video, we're gonna have somebody like Jim in the comment section. Back in my day, we didn't need a cheat system like this. Shut up, Jim. Just because you weren't smart enough to figure out smarter versus harder, that's not a me problem, that's you. This system helps with efficiency and gives you perfection every time. And that is in fact the recipe to have a very full calendar. Thanks for hanging out. Happy Friday. Yes, even you, Jim.